open what was left inside. You're not so perfect when they see your bad side. And finally you want to compromise.